Overall, this is one of the best upgrades I've done to my Honda Goldwing. It modernizes the bike without changing the original stereo system. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I upgraded my Honda Goldwing with modern Bluetooth music, streaming using three simple devices: wireless music from my phone, high quality Bluetooth and audio is aptX HD, fast USB charging for all my devices, clean sound without buzzing or engine noise. And the best parts, no need to replace the factory stereo system. For this install, I used three main components: 100-watt charger with digital voltage display, two USB-C ports and three USB ports. Second, the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.1 aptX HD audio adapter. And third, Zeocom ground loop isolator. Together, this create a clean and reliable Bluetooth audio system for the Goldwing. Installation. First, access the aux port. My Goldwing has it here. This is this cable 3.5, and this is 12-volt socket. Oops. Yeah, there it is. So here I will start. Well, this is so easy to connect. You have this aux and power. So ground isolator goes to aux, and then this goes direct to my Goldwing. This is power. Just one short power cable, and that's it. And to my USB charger. That's all what you have to connect. Now just connect to 12-volt socket, and this one goes to Goldwing. So I connected the 3.5 millimeter audio output from the Ugreen adapter into Zeocom ground loop isolator first. Then the isolator connects directly into a Goldwing. So let's power this on. Let's see if it works. It has power. Does it? Searching for Bluetooth. Let's find my Bluetooth. green. See? Let's see if it works. So it works. It works. Very happy. And this is cheap solution for Bluetooth upgrade to your Goldwing. And the best of this kit is when you turn your bike off, when you start riding, it's power on again itself and connects to your cell phone automatic. Best solution so far. So very simple solution. Just plug your charger in your 12-volt socket to power your green. From your green you connect to ground loop isolator for deleting ground noises, and from ground loop isolator just connect to your Goldwing. And in this charger I still have plenty of ports for charging phone, cameras, everything you need. And the best, when you start your bike, it reconnects automatic. Overall, this is one of the best upgrades I've done to my Honda Goldwing. It modernizes the bike without changing the original stereo system. The combination of Ugreen Bluetooth 5.1 adapter, Zeocom noise filter, and the 100-watt fast charger works perfectly together. If you want wireless music, clean sound, and fast charging on long rides, I definitely recommend this setup. In this video, if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Goldwing upgrades, motorcycle tech and touring videos. If you have questions about the installation, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and ride safe.